Good morning, everyone. We are continuing with the topic elimination of arbitrary constants. So let us check this problem out. Eliminate the constants a and b from the relation y is equal to ax plus bx and form a differential equation. So we know to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So there are two arbitrary constants. That means we have two differentiations. So y dash is what? It is nothing but dy by dx. It is a into differentiation of x is 1 plus b into, sorry, this is x square, children. So this is x square. So we have 2x is the differentiation of x square. So again, differentiating this once again, what do we get? We get differentiation of a constant is 0 plus 2x into, 2 into differentiation of x is 1 into b. So we have y double dash is nothing but 2b. But we know that if you are having two constants, we will have two derivatives, right? So after differentiating twice, we are still not able to eliminate the arbitrary constant b. Okay, so in this type of cases, we have one more method. That is, what is b from this? B is nothing but y double dash divided by 2. So substituting b, say I'm taking this as equation 1. Substituting this in equation, substituting b in equation 1, what do you have? Y dash is equal to a plus b into 2x is the derivative. So you have y dash is equal to a plus y double dash divided by 2 into 2x. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you have y dash is equal to a plus y double dash into x. From this, can I find a? Yes. So that is a is equal to y dash minus y double dash into x. So now substituting the values of a and b in the given question, what do we have? This is a given equation, y is equal to ax plus bx square. So what is the value of a? A is nothing but y dash minus y double dash of x into x plus, what is the value of b? Y double dash divided by 2 into x square. So after simplification, what do you get? This becomes y dash into x minus y double dash of x square, this is x into x square, y double dash divided by 2 into x square. Okay, so in order to eliminate this denominator 2, I'll multiply the entire line by 2. So what do you have? 2y is equal to 2y dash x minus 2y double dash of x square plus 2 into y double dash by 2 into x square. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what do you have? 2y is equal to 2y dash of x minus, if I take y dash common from these two terms, what is remaining? And also minus common outside. Remaining numbers here is 2 into x square plus into minus, what is remaining here? X square. So you have 2y is equal to 2y dash of x minus 2x square minus x square is nothing but 2 minus 1, 1. So it is x square into y double dash. I hope it's clear here. So this is your required differential equation. After, let us get into the next question. xy is equal to c square. Here also you have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So you have first derivative as y dash is equal to, can we write like that? No. This is u into v rule. So uv rule is first function into derivative of second function. What is the first function? X into differentiation of y is dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x is 1 is equal to differentiation of c square is 0. So what do you have? X into y dash plus y is equal to 0, which is your required differential equation after eliminating your arbitrary constant c square. A small and easy problem, right? Okay, so let's get into the next question. Okay, so our question is find the differential equation of all circles, center at origin and radius a. So here the equation is not given directly. So your equation has to be formed. So what is the equation? X square plus y square is equal to a square. So here you can see your arbitrary constant is a. So differentiating this, what do you get with respect to x? Okay, so 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So that is nothing but taking 2 common outside. X plus y, you can write dy by dx as y dash is equal to 0. So your given equation is x plus, the required equation is x plus y dash is equal to 0. 2 you will bring it to the other side, so it vanishes. So your required equation is x plus y into y dash is equal to 0. Let's get into our next question. Form the differential equation y is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of minus mx by eliminating a and b. So as we know, we have 2 arbitrary constants. That means we will be having 2 differentiations. So let's start. So it is y is equal to a into e to the power of mx plus b into e to the power of minus mx. First derivative is a into e power mx into m. How did I get this? You know that e to the power of ax is nothing but e to the power of ax into a, or a into e to the power of ax. Differentiating e to the power of x is e to the power of x. That means e to the power of ax is e to the power of ax. Again chain rule. Ax differentiation is a into x differentiation is 1. Okay. So we have into m plus b into e to the power of minus mx into, what is the differentiation of minus mx? Minus m into x is 1. So we have y dash is equal to m into a into e to the power of mx minus b into this plus into minus minus e to the power of minus mx. So let me write the m here. Okay. So y double dash is nothing but again m into a to the power of a into e to the power of mx into differentiation of mx is m again. So shall I write it as m square? M into m becomes m square, right? Minus m into b into e to the power of minus mx is my e to the power of minus mx into minus m, right? Okay, let me write it. Don't get confused. Okay, so we have y double dash is equal to m square a into e to the power of mx minus into minus becomes plus m square into b into e to the power of minus mx. So if I take m square common outside, so after taking the common m square outside, we have a into e power mx plus b into e power minus mx. If you remember, this is nothing but your question, y is equal to. So we can substitute e power mx plus b into e to the power of minus mx as y. So what do you have? You have y double dash is equal to m square into y, which is your required differential equation. Let's get into our next question. Y is equal to mx. So differentiating this ones, what do I get? Y dash is equal to m into differentiation of x is 1. So it is nothing but y dash is equal to m, right? Still we are not able to eliminate m. So m is nothing but y dash, right? Substitute this in the given question. I'll consider the given question as equation 1 now. So what do I get substituting? M in equation 1, what do I get? I get y is equal to y dash into x, or I can write it as y minus y dash x is equal to 0, which is our required differential equation. Our next question is find the differential equation of parabolas, all parabolas whose axes are perpendicular to y-axis. Standard form of such parabolas is x minus h the whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Okay, you have studied all these formulas in your second PUC. You have a chapter conic section there, right? So under this condition, that is parabolas whose axis is perpendicular to y-axis, the equation or the formula is x minus h the whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Here you can see h, a and k are the arbitrary constants. We can understand this question better by this graph. So as you can see, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. The parabola and its axis is perpendicular to the y-axis, and the axis is parallel to the x-axis. The question can be like that also, okay? So axis is parallel to the x-axis also, same diagram. Axis is perpendicular to the y-axis also, same diagram, okay? So let us, as you can see, you have 3 constants, so you have 3 derivatives, right? So first derivative is 2 into x minus h into differentiation of x minus h, that is nothing but 1 minus 0. So into 1 is nothing but the same number, so we will not write that, into 4a into differentiation of y is y dash minus 0. So you have 2 into x minus h is equal to 4a y dash. Now differentiating this once again, second derivative, what do you get? 2 into differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of h is 0 is equal to 4a into differentiation of y dash is y double dash. So this becomes 2 is equal to 4a y double dash, right? Now differentiate this once again, what do you get? Here you can cancel 2 ones are 2 2s are. So this becomes 1 is equal to 2a into y double dash, right? So now differentiating this once again, what do you get? 0 is equal to 2a into y triple dash, right? So now send this 2a to the other side, what happens? Y triple dash is equal to 0 divided by 2a is nothing but 0, which is your required differential equation after eliminating the. Okay, so I want you to try these two problems. Form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. So x is equal to b cos omega t plus alpha. I have done a similar problem in the last class, so you can check that out and try this. Here you will get at the end, you can substitute x, you'll get this value. So you can substitute in that place as x. So this is that kind of problem. You can try it once, okay? Then form the differential equation y is equal to mx plus c by eliminating the arbitrary constants m and c. We have done similar problem of this kind also, y is equal to mx, right? So here, there we had only one constant. Here we have 1 and 2 constants. So 2 derivatives, right? So by next class, try these problems. If you have any doubts, you can always clarify. Thank you.